Just now they did and acted even through their prayer service.
Today, we gather to celebrate the birthday of our truly inspired person, Principal Reverend Father Vishal SG. I had the blessing of meeting Father Vishal when I was a student at Loyola College, Inaugural. Even as a student, I was struck by his deep love and concern for the poor, his gentle kindness, and his soft, humble nature. Father Vishal, thank you for being not just a principal, but a true shepherd and a mentor. Let me end my few words with a small poem dedicated to you. The title of the poem, A Leader with a Gentle Flame. A heart so kind, a soul so true, in all you stay, in all you do. A light for many, strong and mild, with a faith and love forever striving. From Manvi's halls to mission's call, you have lifted hopes and placed them all in. Support your hands, creative mind, in you a ray soul we find. You care for all, both great and small, with love that answers every call. At St. Joseph's, you have stood so tall, a guiding light admired by all. Today we celebrate your way, a life that brightens every day. On this day, we pray and say, may joy and peace be yours always. Happy birthday to you, Father Vishal. May God bless you, journey, and many lives you touch. Thank you.